Public speaking tips for beginners. Have you ever felt that nervous knot in your stomach before speaking in front of a crowd? Maybe your hands shake, your voice cracks, and your mind goes blank. Trust me, I've been there. But guess what? You're not alone. Public speaking is one of the most common fears. But today, I'll help you turn that fear into confidence. Whether you're giving a speech at school, presenting at work, or just want to improve your communication skills, these simple tips will set you up for success. Let's dive in. Tip pound 1. Know your audience. The first step to powerful public speaking is knowing your audience. Ask yourself, who are they? What do they care about? How can I connect with them? If you're speaking to a group of students, keep it light and engaging. If it's a business meeting, keep it professional yet relatable. Understanding your audience helps you tailor your message, making it more impactful. Tip pound 2. Practice, but don't memorize. Preparation is key. Practice your speech multiple times, but don't try to memorize it word for word. Instead, focus on the key points. When you over-memorize, you risk sounding robotic and panicking if you forget a line. Instead, know your message inside out so you can speak naturally and adapt as needed. Tip pound 3. Body language matters. Your words matter, but so does your body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use hand gestures naturally. Avoid crossing your arms or pacing nervously. A confident posture not only makes you look more self-assured but also helps you feel more confident from within. Tip pound 4. Control your voice and pace. When you're nervous, it's easy to rush through your words. Take a deep breath, slow down, and add pauses for emphasis. Your audience needs time to absorb what you're saying. Vary your tone to keep them engaged. Nobody wants to listen to a monotone speech. Tip pound 5. Engage with your audience. Public speaking isn't just about talking, it's about connecting. Ask questions, tell a relatable story, or even use humor when appropriate. When your audience feels involved, they listen more attentively. Tip pound 6. Embrace mistakes and keep going. Even the best speakers make mistakes. If you mess up, don't panic. Take a breath, smile, and continue. Most people won't even notice small errors unless you draw attention to them. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about handling imperfections with grace. Public speaking is a skill, and like any skill, it gets easier with practice. So, step out of your comfort zone, apply these tips, and start speaking with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what's your biggest public speaking fear. I'd love to help. See you in the next video.